What up, Tube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Let's get into this, guys.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just calling. You know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
So today is my Monday, your Thursday. It is Easter weekend, guys, which means that Sunday is Easter. Now, in the comments below, I want you guys to tell me how many of you guys are off Friday, which tomorrow is Good Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is it's kind of a religious holiday. But are you working? I am. Are you working Sunday? Yes, I am. We at Big Al's Barbershop are open every single day, including holidays. The only holidays that we are closed is Christmas Day and New Year's Day. Other than that, we are open every single day, guys. Every single day. That includes Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday, we are only open from 1 till noon. So it's only a half a day, 4 hours. You probably think to yourself, why come for 4 hours? Why ruin your Easter Sunday for 4 hours? You know what? I don't ruin my Easter Sunday for 4 hours. I've been doing this for so long already that, you know what? My Easter Sunday is still a great Easter Sunday. We barbecue every single year. We get together with family every single year, just like you do in your family. But the only difference is that we do it on a different level. We do it on a different level. We wait and we don't get started until 4 o'clock. You know, so mom, you know my mom sells at the swap meet. She still works on Sundays. Like I don't know if I've told you. I know I've told you guys in the past, but for those of you that are new, my mom sells at the swap meet Sunday. So I still get up Sunday morning and help her, take her, set her up. Sunday's not going to be any different. So why stay home and not do nothing? Nothing. No. I'm going to go to work. We're going to work. And we are going to make money. Because guess what? Everybody else is closed on Sundays, guys. You want to set yourself different from everybody else. You open up a shop. All the shops close on Mondays and Sundays. Guess what? I'm opening on Sundays and Mondays. Because you know what? Everybody needs haircuts every single day. Even on, especially on holidays. So that's just my pitch for the morning, guys. If you guys want to make money this weekend, this is a busy weekend. You know, I can't express how busy it is. And for those of you guys that are staying home and doing nothing and you know, running errands or whatever it might be, you guys are leaving money on the table. You guys are leaving money on the table. This is a very important week. This is a very important week for a lot of people. So they want to look nice. And that's the business we're in. We're in making people look nice. So guess what? You need to be there. So that's my pitch for this morning. I hope you guys are working today. Grind on. Go Dodgers. Right now I was standing in line at the bank and a gentleman asked me, he goes, he saw my chain. I have my chain on. And, you know, and if you guys saw my chain, look at this, guys. It's a little straight blade. Just had it sitting out, and I do it on purpose too. I pull it out not because I'm also proud to be a barber. I'm very proud to be a barber, but you know, it's a way of advertising, guys, and it's a way that, you know, you don't know how many times people have done that to me where I'm in a line. They'll say, "Hey, you're a barber?" And I always say yes. And I'll pull out my wallet, hand them a business card, and welcome them to my shop and tell them, hey, if you're looking for a barber, come on by. You know, we do all kinds of cuts there. You know, I invite you to go to my Instagram and check out my Instagram. I have many videos and pictures of haircuts, you know, and it's a great way to promote yourself, guys. And that gentleman asked me, do you wear your necklace like that on purpose for this very reason? And I told him, actually, yeah, I do. This is a way for me to advertise, you know. But not only that, I'm also very proud to be a barber. You know, I'm a third generation barber, and I gave him a little pitch about my story, and you know, for sure he's gonna go to the shop. But guys, that's just another way that you could be promoting yourself. A little barber pole, a little straight razor, a barber hat, a barber shirt. You know, you guys always see the way I dress. I'm always dressing in some kind of barber something, and there's a reason behind that. It's because, you know, you're a walking billboard. You need to promote yourself, and you need to let people know that what you do. And you know, I got my tattoo right here. My barber has my barbershop name on it. You know, like, you know, it's just, you know, everywhere I go, it's just, I'm a walking billboard, and you have to be that way if you want to promote yourself and you want to be busy. And I explained that to that gentleman. I told him, I go, yeah, we stay pretty busy there, and it's the reason being is because, you know, I'm always working on some way of trying to get my name out there, get it out bigger, get it better, you know what I mean? Because it's all about customer service. It's all about letting those customers know, you know, who's providing those services at my shop. Come on by, you know, we got you. We'll take care of you here. And, you know, we got picked up another customer. And that's how you do it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you to let you guys know what it takes out there. Always have business cards in your wallet, guys. Always hand out. Try to hand out 5 business cards a day and see how many more customers you're going to pick up. Trust me, all right? All right, I'm heading back to the shop right now. Finish this day off strong and grind on. Easter weekend, guys. Easter weekend. You should be working hard. Guys, I just left right now. It's about 6:30, relatively early, but our shop closes at 5 o'clock. But got stuck there today. Last minute customers. But guys, I told you guys, this weekend is Easter weekend, so it's just gonna be busy. It's gonna be busy. So today was like a Saturday, but we only had 3 people working. 3 people. Me, Tony, and Raul. So it turned out to be a really good day. But tomorrow we got a full crew. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow we're back at it and grind on, guys. Grind on, right, guys? I'll see you guys mañana. Get some rest, relax. Because this is a money weekend, guys. This is not a party weekend. This is a money weekend. If you guys need to understand, when you guys are in this business, that if you guys want to make money, you have to be prepared for the next day. And to be prepared is to be rested up, coffeeed up, and ready to go, guys. All right? Rise and grind. All right? With that being said, guys, you guys have a blessed night, and see you guys mañana.